Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. Today's the first day of November, so for a lot of y'all out there, you're really feeling it. You know, it's getting colder. Fall is really here. I mean, you're on your way into winter, and here in San Diego, you know, wintertime means you know, something like this. You kick your feet up and relax. But, you know, not everywhere's got it like this, so, you know, I watch a couple other people's cooking channels, and there's sort of this collaboration thing going on where people are making some winter cocktails, so I thought I'd show you how we do it here in San Diego. You know, it's cooled off a bit. It's only 79 degrees today, so, you know, I have my winter flip-flops on. So, let me show you how we do it here for a little winter cocktail. Yeah, the dogs even like it out here today. So what we're gonna make today is called a Radler. Radler is it's a German drink actually, and it's a refreshing drink for a nice hot day. And what Radler is it's a 50-50 mix of beer and either lemonade or a citrus soda or ginger ale. Today I am going to make my Radler with lemonade. And for beer, we're going to use a Heineken. Heineken?
What kind of beer do you like? Heineken. Heineken? Fuck that shit! Pabst Blue Ribbon!
Alright, I guess we're not going to use a Heineken. We'll use a Pabst Blue Ribbon. So what you do is you get yourself your favorite mug. This is mine from my Nanny Goat 24-hour race coming up in about 6 months. Hopefully y'all will join me for that, where I run for 24 hours. Yeah, I'm a little bit crazy, and definitely will have some of these during that run. So you go ahead and you give yourself about a 50-50 mixture here. I got some lemonade. Top this off with some lemonade. Man, cheers. There's to you, my friends. Stay warm. Stay thirsty. I mean, life ain't easy. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.